Hello, hello. So I'm really pleased to reconnect with phytoscience. As Juan Sriel already mentioned, we can look back to 10 years collaboration, which was really very successful. So a very warm welcome from Switzerland to the whole phytoscience family. I hope you can hear me and see me, and that this will be a nice reconnection. And I want to congratulate first Phytoscience for this opening of the Bangkok business. And of course, I want also to thank Puan Sri Ella for inviting me to this event. And it's going to be my great pleasure to introduce to you a little bit information about our stem cells. And based on this research, we did or investigated the research of plant stem cells. And it was in the year 2008 when Mibel Biochemistry launched the first plant stem cell products for the cosmetic industry. And this was the apple stem cell. So we have a selected material. We grow this material on an agar plate where we have this so-called callus tissue, and out of that we can isolate the stem cells which deliver the beneficial effects to our body. Now, the first stem cell we did was coming from an apple. So an apple that sounds very basic, but actually our apple was very special because it was a very, very old breed which had a name Utwiler Spätlauber. So this is an apple breed from Switzerland coming from the 18th century. And this apple has some very special properties. It has a very good storability. This means this apple does age much longer and does age much slower than other apples. So this apple delays aging. And we thought, okay, if we take this apple and we isolate the stem cells from this apple, we can also delay aging in human bodies. This was our concept and it worked. So how can we prepare and make stem cells from plants? For that, we take a part of the plant. It could be the fruit, the leaf, the flower, whatever. We make it sterile and we wound it and then we incubate the material. So here we have taken the fruit on special agar plates, and the plant then, as it is wounded, will develop a wound healing tissue, which is called the callus tissue. And out of that callus tissue, we can then